Hi guys, it's Miss Moonstone here. I currently own a few decks of tarot cards, but I didn't until this morning have any oracle sets. And I actually went to the shops for a completely different reason, but I happened to see this set. It's a set that I'd seen on Amazon a few times. It keeps getting recommended to me, and I decided to pick it up. So I thought I'd show you what's in it. So inside, we start with a little book. It's got quite a chunky little book. It's good. It's not one of the thin ones, as you can see. It's, if I hold it up, let's see if we can get it in focus. There. And it's a fairly thick one. It's small, black and white obviously, and it's just got a little section for each card. Take that out of the way. Sorry, I've got a little white chihuahua, so as you can imagine, everything black in the house managed to get a little bit of him on it. Right. It's a little bit tricky to get off. There we go. So we have the Sun, Journey, Blossoming Abundance, Happy Family, Attachment, Contract, Community, Indecision, Broken Heart, Storm Warning, Cornucopia, The Temple Path, Financial Constraints, Caring Connections, Appreciation, Patience, Action, Anxiety, Rest and Rejuvenation, Envy, Strategy, Yin and Yang, All Tied Up, Adjacent Possibilities, Deceit, Hostilities, Walking Away, Victory, The World, The Garden and the Gate, Door to Value, Door to Spirit, Door to Romance, Door to Personal and Healing Happiness, First Chakra, Archangel Michael, Second Chakra, Archangel Ariel, Third Chakra, Archangel, how am I going to pronounce this? Is it Chamuel or Camuel? I'm not really sure. Fourth Chakra, Archangel Raphael, Fifth Chakra, Archangel Gabriel, Sixth Chakra, Archangel Metatron, Seventh Chakra, Archangel Uriel. Wow, she's beautiful. I love that card. It's really nice. Woman holding a coin, man holding a coin, woman holding a heart, man holding a heart, the thinking man, the thinking woman, angel of balance, angel of love, angel of strength, healer of the ages, goddess of the moon, and the magician and the mirror. What I'll do, because I went speedily through those, I'll try and take a few pictures to add in at the end to give you some sort of idea what they look like closer up. The card itself is fairly thick. Let's just see. Because they are quite large, it's a little hard to shuffle, but then I have got average to small hands. I haven't got very big hands at all. So you might find them hard to shuffle. But they're a nice size. You can see the picture. They are I think oracle cards tend to be slightly bigger than tarot cards, so they seem like a fairly average size. But yeah, I really like them and I can't wait to give them a proper go. I've still got to cleanse them because I've literally just taken them out of the package. And here we have the back side of them. I don't know if that's in focus. But yeah. So, thank you for watching and goodbye from Miss Moonstone.